So friends, let's see this delicious recipe of Bharli Mirchi. So here I have about 7 of these large mirchis. So you're just going to wash them and pat them dry well, and then you're going to cut them like this. So one slit lengthwise and a little slit breadthwise like this. And it opens up, and now with a spoon or with a knife, you can just scoop out all of the seeds. You have to discard the seeds and the pips, etc. And then of course wash your hands really well after you clean all the chilies. Otherwise you might just rub your eyes or something. So be careful of that part. Always wash your hands well after handling chilies. So in this way, cut it lengthwise and a little breadthwise like this, and then open it. This is my husband Abhijit preparing this dish, and just scoop it out all. Scoop out all the seeds and the pips with a spoon, and then you can again just uh, wipe off all the seeds. Now here I am mashing up one medium sized potato. We are going to boiled potato. We are going to be making the stuffing or the filling. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Next I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga. Now this spoon which rather I'm using is half a teaspoon measurement. This is 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder. So this is my masala dabba spoon. They are actually half a teaspoon measurement. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and we're going to mix these ingredients. We still have a little more ingredients to add, but I'm just giving this a first initial mix so everything gets nicely blended together. It's best to work with your fingers and your hands. Here you're going to add some salt to taste. So roughly Abhijit added about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. That's a regular teaspoon. The other one is a half teaspoon from my misal dabba or masala dabba. Now mix everything really well together. Now here I'm preparing a little bit of roasted peanut powder. I'll just show it to you all. So I'm preparing a little larger quantity. So I've taken 1/4 cup of peanuts, roasted them, that is raw peanuts. And then after they've come to room temperature, I'm just going to grind them to a coarse powder. But we are going to add just 2 tablespoons of this roasted peanut powder. You can store the rest in a clean glass container. And then I'm going to add some finely chopped coriander leaves, say about 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of melted clarified butter or melted ghee, because this is like a binding agent. So just mix all the ingredients together in such a way that you can hold it together like a dough. So mix it really well so that all of the ingredients come together really well. And now all you have to do is just stuff the chilies with this stuffing. Be generous with the stuffing. And then seal it up like this. Press it together like this. This is an amazing dish. And okay, so all the chilies are stuffed, and now I'm just going to shallow fry them in 2 tablespoons of oil. Can you all guess how much I got these 7 big chilies for? Write it down in the comment section and let me see how many of you get it correct. I'll let you all know after about at least 10 people have replied. And now you just, fry them and put the stuffed part down first so that it gets sealed. And then at every interval, you just keep turning them. They have to change from this green color to a whitish golden brown. There should be no green left on it at all. So keep turning it. And if you find it a little difficult, just use a pair of kitchen tongs and keep turning them. And they have to be completely whitish golden brown, just like this, completely roasted. That's when you can transfer them to a serving plate. So each of the chilies will take a different time, so just keep an eye on it. And your lovely Bharli Mirchi or stuffed chilies are all ready. This goes best with some rice and curd. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys.
Video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.